Greetings everyone. Today I will show you the concatenation, two different methods of concatenation of strings. Let me first create a new Python file, Python 6. So I will show you two different methods of concatenation of strings and also the repetition of a particular string, how to repeat a particular string and print it. Now, first of all, let's say string 1, the string 2, periodic, string 3, table, string 4 has string 5, 118, string 6, elements. So the periodic table has 118 elements. So I have already taught you how to do concatenation. Let me just summarize it. Print string 1 plus string 2 plus string 3 plus string 4 plus string 5 plus string 6. Now it will print the whole line. So it does. Now let me real quick show you another way of the same concatenation. Print. If I do it like this, then space, then again I will include another double quotes, periodic. I don't need to use the plus sign here. Space, table, space in double quotes has, space in double quotes 118, space in double quotes elements. So when I run it, it prints the same result. So concatenation has two different methods in Python. First of all, we can use the plus sign to concatenate the strings as different variables. And secondly, we can use this double quotes method, that is double quotes, some characters, set of characters, then space, double quotes, then another set of characters. So both the methods concatenate the given words to form a sentence or the strings to form a bigger string. Now let me show you how to print a string multiple times. Let's say I would like to print hi, and I would like to print it 10 times. Just like that. Hi in double quotes, then asterisk symbol to indicate multiplication, then multiplied by 10. When I print it, we get 10 high. So I need to include a space in between so that it maintains a proper alignment. Just like that. That was all for this lecture. Thank you for watching.